So one thing I love to do is I always like to pack up all my ski gear the night before and prep it for hanging up to the mountain bright and early the next day. I really dislike trying to pull it all together loosely in the car, so ski bag is a great way to do that. So on the back side where the handles are, the backpack straps, you just stick your boots in. This whole big flap unzips. And this isn't a framed bag, it's soft-sided, so you just gotta hold it up while you do it. And then you can zip this up, just like that. And then on the top, you have this big compartment here. And I have my ski helmet, which just goes in the top here and zips closed, like that. And then you have the ability to throw some clothes or other gear, gloves in the front here, which is super handy. And then you have lots of different tie down points if you need them. Here on the sides, you can stick your skis into here and then strap them down here if you want to carry them from the parking lot on the bag. And then at the very top here, you have a spot for ski goggles. So this is a super handy bag if you're looking for something like this to keep all your ski gear in nice and organized. There is a waist strap as well, which just goes on your waist. Let me loosen this up. It's like that. And then also a chest strap too, which you can buckle. Then tighten down, and then here's the waist strap. So it's super comfortable to wear, which is really nice. And there's lots of adjustments. So if you're a bigger person or a smaller person, you can adjust this in different ways. And you can adjust these up and down depending how you want it to fit. And then it just sits like this. So again, if you're looking for a nice way to carry all your ski gear from your house to your car or to the shuttle, and then from the shuttle to the lodge or run, this is a really nice option because it keeps everything in its place, has a bunch of different pockets for configuration. I highly suggest you check it out.